Wow. Get on. So you've just seen the start of the video. DHL delivered me a present for the Ghia. I'm shocked. I only made this order yesterday about 3 o'clock off David Manners Group. By the size of it, I think you can tell what's in there. But this was on eBay, and our message is at the best price because there was 300 quid, which was the cheapest around, and he said we can do it for 265, and that's delivered, whereas the cheapest quote I had was 265. Cool there. Let's see what's in here. There's 2. Well packaged. Oh, probably a the odd dent. One. Cool, quickly. Yes, left and right. So looking at the original pressing, and that don't look too bad. Matches the others. They did do the welding ones, which I'll just plop on top, show you later, and weld in. So I may have to plug these holes here, by the looks of it. But wow, 265 delivered less than 24 hours, isn't it? It says about 3 o'clock yesterday. So I'll give these guys a shout. No sponsor, nothing like that. Just a fantastic deal, David Manners Group. If you don't ask for like discount or is that your best price, then you, yeah, pay a lot dearer. And there you go, Karmann Ghia. Wow, happy days. Luckily I sold a couple bits to pay for these, but for the price and quick delivery, wowee. Right, now the floors have arrived, the old floor pan. I have measured and they're identical size. So it'll be a lot of trimming, cutting, etc. I'll start with this here in a minute. But yeah, all under here, so won't be the day I'll be fitting them, but I'll start cutting stuff away and see what else I can jump on today. Yeah, just looking at the pans in this. Obviously still double skinned here from the last ones. This here I'll trim up to that heater exchanger pipe. I don't need that, I'm not running no heat. You see over there, look, I'm going to block, there he is, I'm going to block that one, cut it off and block it. Yeah. Let's get a plan together, Coco. A lot more of that to come. I did find some acorns, so the mice must have got in that heater bit there, but that's gone in the bin. That's a bit of the old floor, that. Now, heater channels, I said, even on that side, they're pretty good. Apart from the bottoms are gone. Obviously I can make that corner piece up there, no problem. But I think the new floor pan comes up a bit, so easy fix. Don't need a body off. I'm not doing a body off, only because the time, so many other projects. Talking of that, I may have an incoming next Saturday. Yeah, right, heater channel bottom. This is from a Beetle. Obviously, it's for the driver's side. So, before I build up, see, all the heater channel bottom was knackered, the plate. Once I can get this heater channel bottom in, welded up, lined up with the floor pan, obviously. Still got more of the floor pan to cut there, look, at the back. Undone the bolts. A couple of bolts are the wrong way round. Then I can build up the inner seals that are already done. Then that outer seal panel I got brand new. And start back on here. So it ain't that bad of a job. See, I started cutting away the heater channel bottom. You can see a bit more to do, but you can see once all this is cut, look. And I'm trying to convince myself, but I've got some decent bits here. The chassis centre is all good, the tunnel. So at least I've got something to work to. And I'm bloody enjoying it. Yesterday I've done a little short on the video. Well, a video short with the orange paint look. But that pink paint that was on top of the orange paint, still crazy to get off. And I've still got to tackle all this. But it ain't been a bad couple of hours, so yapping, and me and the missus are away Monday to Wednesday. So I'll go at the unit Sunday, see what I can film, if anything. But no, overall I'm happy, starting to cut out the rust for the first time, you know. Starting to crack on with it. And I think that's the plan to go with. Heater channel bottom weld up. I'm sure I've got this side here at the workshop. I think I've got one or two out there. But even so, it's not hard to make up, is it? This is thicker than the Beetle. Yeah, a lot wider than a Beetle. So the Ghia's a lot skinnier, should I say. I may have to cut all that down, but at least I've got the bolts there to bolt the floor. Because I was going to weld them up, wasn't I? I was going to weld them up. You see them? Yeah, I was going to weld them up. But now, if I go this way, if someone wanted to do a body off after me, years down the line, they can. So there you go. I just want to do it solid in the way I want to build it. Really, the body would be 100% as is. That's where I'm at for the minute. Just gonna have a tidy up, tinker about, and I'll bring you back. So there we have it for the day. Little bit at a time. I'm happy, especially with them new floor pans coming in about 18 hours after I ordered them from way up north in the UK. Superb. Happy with this today. A lot more cutting to do there, the rear floor bit. But I need to crack on with the heater channels underneath. Make this part here solid. Not going nowhere, look. That's just a... Right, what I forgot to say earlier, I brought these home. Now these are beetle ones. What side are we at? There you go. So these are beetle. A bit different than the Ghia, but we got this curve we need. Plus, hello, we got the bottoms. Now, will they? I don't even think they'll need trimming like that other repair panel. I'll cut a bit more out, you can see. One of them, you pay someone to restore this car, what are you looking at, 60,000 to 70,000 pounds? Vw Coco, I'll do it for peanuts. Cut all the bottom plate off now. Now this will stick up in there, well it won't, but it can do. And that's my bottom. Even if I've got to trim this bottom piece off, trim it down, there's my screw hose, instead of wasting that complete panel or two. So happy days. I can build up this rear bit underneath, not a problem. But this here, got the perfect parts. So it's always good to hoard parts. Basically the set, oh that's bingo. Cap all that underneath. So I'll leave that here. Thanks for watching. Say a bit more on the Ghia. And now this is the only project at home. Happy days. Happy bloody days. Right, I've got to clear what's next. I was doing a weekly vlog at the unit. Only been out there, well, one afternoon this week. So he's taking shape. Oh, lightweight as well. See in there, look, all the rust gets cut away. It's like DD Speed Shop. I was watching him last night. He had a couple panels that didn't fit. Cut and butt. Well, not butt, but cut and add. Then he made up some panels. Like Bad Chad. We all do it. Especially the pattern parts that don't work. But this here, it's going to be a lot more solid than when he rolled out the factory in 1973. Even inside, that's looking good, Coco. You probably don't think it is, but that is solid, that top piece there. It's just the bottom of the heater channel. This bit here, nice and solid, and work my way around. Then the front, then the floor is ready to drop in. Right, all unbolted there, look. And that side, got to repair that, not a problem. We got a new floor. I'm chuffed. Right, like, comment, subscribe, buymeacoffee.com, Amazon wishlist. That's the Vw Karmann Ghia. Thank you and goodbye.